AGI Panel, Inform Only, Scenario Reasoning and Simulation Intelligence. https://udo.be/ze-1ksbo. The AGI panel represents the advanced reasoning layer within the inform zone, where multidimensional intelligence is generated without any execution authority. This graph visualizes how AGI interprets manufacturing scenarios by simultaneously analyzing revenue, outcome, and risk trends across operational cycles. It acts as a cognitive simulation engine, helping management foresee future states of the system before decisions are made. The scenario revenue line, blue, shows a consistent upward trend from cycle 1 to cycle 5, followed by a slight correction in cycle 6. This indicates that AGI identifies strong growth momentum in the system, driven by improved production efficiency or demand alignment. However, the slight dip in the final cycle signals a potential saturation or operational constraint, which becomes an early warning for governance systems. The scenario outcome line, violet, reflects the success level of operations. While it fluctuates slightly, it maintains a generally stable and positive trajectory. This indicates that despite changes in revenue and operational conditions, the system is capable of sustaining acceptable performance levels. AGI highlights this stability as a sign of resilience but also flags the need for continuous monitoring to prevent hidden inefficiencies. The scenario risk line, pink, provides critical insight into uncertainty and operational pressure. Risk increases from cycle 1 to cycle 3, then reduces and fluctuates in later cycles. This pattern shows that while growth is occurring, it is accompanied by periods of elevated risk. AGI identifies these fluctuations as potential instability zones, where governance intervention may be required before risks translate into failures. Most importantly, this entire panel operates strictly within the inform boundary, meaning it generates intelligence but does not approve actions. The insights produced here must pass through Analyzer 1.0 in the govern layer, where KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI logic determines whether decisions are allowed, conditioned, held, or blocked. This ensures that even the most advanced AGI reasoning remains controlled, accountable, and aligned with enterprise policies. Summary. The AGI panel demonstrates how advanced intelligence can simulate revenue growth, outcome stability, and risk behavior across cycles. Under NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, this intelligence remains advisory, ensuring that all decisions are governed, validated, and safe before execution. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.